Welcome to Vehicles Bro. Today, we will talk about troubleshoot P0430 Chevy Silverado error. What does code P0430 Bank 2 mean? Well, the diagnostic trouble code means catalyst system efficiency below threshold, Bank 2. Moreover, if the oxygen sensor in your car reads the same emission signal from the catalytic converter, you will see the code with the engine light coming on. In this video, we are going to cover all possible causes, symptoms, and simple solutions for this code. Number 1. Damaged or faulty oxygen sensor. If your car's oxygen sensor becomes faulty or damaged, it can't read the exhaust emission data and provides incorrect readings. To solve this, you need to modify your car's oxygen sensor or replace it as soon as possible. Number 2. Faulty catalytic converter. In most cases, it is more likely to happen that the catalytic converter becomes clogged or dirty. In this case, it is always better to clean the catalytic converter using the catalytic converter cleaner. When cleaning, the catalytic converter doesn't work. Therefore, you need to replace it. Number 3. Oxygen sensor damaged wiring. You may notice that the oxygen sensor cable goes bad. Moreover, it becomes burnt. In this case, is to check the wiring of the oxygen sensor and replace it as soon as possible. And number 4. Exhaust system leakage. If there is a leakage in your car's exhaust system, you will hear awkward sounds from the car. And engine overheating is another outcome of exhaust system leakage. In this case, you need to repair or replace it. Hope you now got some idea. If this video helped you, then like, share, and stay connected by clicking on the bell icon.